New tonight, a Spring Valley family is suing a cemetery and a funeral home after they found out that their loved one was buried in the wrong place, dug up and then reburied again without their permission. News 12's Emily Young talks to the family tonight and shares their story.
This is where they exhumed my dad's body.
The Booth family is living a nightmare. Wayne Booth passed away in February, and the Booth family made plans to have him buried in the same plot as his wife, who passed away in 2005 at Brick Church Cemetery in Spring Valley.
And we saw him go down, and they put the dirt on top, and we put the blanket on top.
But when Tammy called the funeral director only 2 days after the funeral, she was notified of a horrible mistake.
He said, can I tell you something? I said, what? He goes, your sister was right. Your dad's supposed to go on top of your mom. We buried him in the wrong place. And the person that was on top of your mom, we had to exhume that body. And we had to exhume your dad's body and put your dad on top of your mother's body.
The family was in shock. The Booth family lawyer says this move was entirely illegal.
Under the law, you cannot just exhume a body. There is paperwork that needs to be filled out. There are consents that need to be signed by the family.
Not only should they have been notified prior to the exhumation, but the family should have been there when their father was finally at rest with their mother.
What was the reason for all of this, and why did they cover it up and deprive the family of the opportunity to have their father buried properly?
A lawsuit filed today in Rockland County Court contains 7 causes of actions, negligence claims, and gross negligence claims, and the family is seeking $55 million in damages.
We want to, certainly send the message to the cemetery and the funeral home who ignored us.
And they want people to know about this so that it doesn't happen to somebody else. In Spring Valley, Emily Young, News 12.
And News 12 did reach out to Brick Church Cemetery, who told us this was a clerical error that was rectified the next day when they moved the caskets to the proper location, but they did not comment on this lawsuit.